Good morning. We're going to do a little bit of wood cutting today. First thing on my wood cutting adventures is always make sure you got a sharp saw, and this is how I go about sharpening my saw every time before I start to use it. Get you the file that fits your chain. Glasses, you know, safety first. You find where you're going to start. All right, I got a little yellow mark there. I'm going to start right there on that yellow mark. And when I start doing it, you'll see if I feel that it needs more, I'll do five hits. If not, I'll do 3, but whatever I do on the first one, I'll do on every one of them. That way it tries to cut true. It don't go to one side or the other. So if you do 3, do 3. If you do 5, do 5. Just make sure you do the same on all of them. And you'll notice when you're doing it, it'll go, when it starts getting easy, soft, smooth, then you know that you about got it where you want it. You got to keep it at the same angle on every one of them. Alright, I made it back around to where the chain was put together. I did 5 on each one, and I tried to keep the same angle, so I would turn the saw around, start right back where I was at, and try to do the same thing going this way. You keep the same angle going the other way, and you also try to do 5 on every one, just the same as the other one. All right, I've made it back around to where the chain was put together. If you'll notice on some of those, I did hit one more time. Maybe it had a burr on it, or it just didn't feel smooth when I did the last one, so I went ahead and did another one to try to make it smooth. It glides right through it, and I can feel it when I'm pushing. So like I said, it's the way I do it. That don't mean it's right. It's just the way I do it, and how I have found that the saw will cut true. And you'll tell when you start to cut, if it cuts to one side or the other, then you've got one side or the other sharper, or you just didn't hit it just right. But that's what I've got on. That's how I cut my sharpen my saw. And like I said, that don't make it the right way. It's just the way I do it. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.